Yes, the Hoover Dam. Ito yung sa unahan ng Hoover Dam. Front of the Hoover Dam.
Kukonek sa
So,
kanila.
yan, Nevada time na eh.
Yun siguro Arizona time na yun.
Oh, yes. Nasa gitna na kami ng dam.
Yeah, doon Arizona 5:30.
Ano din ako, honey?
4:30.
Oo nga.
Tara. Tayo muna. Oh, anyway. Hawakan mo to, Tay. Hawakan mo. And, siya naman. Hindi pa siya nakukuhanan mula kanina. Teka, yun yung Arizona time. Ayun, Arizona time. Tapos, dito. Okay? Ikot mong ganon. Yun, Nevada time. So, ito mo na yung difference. Ikot ko ng tingin. Meron ka kami sa bridge. Consider that. Okay.
We are in the Arizona side now. Okay. Right here. The other side of the dam. And here's the overflow for the dam. Wow, look at this. Ooh. There's the biggest dam.
Kaya tayo. Kaya tayo dun sa taas.
Here are those fish. Look at those fish. Wow. Oh my God, that's big. Look at him.
Catfish.
It looks like, yeah, parang catfish. Oh, it's 3 of them. Oh, look at that other one. It's coming out. Oh my God, that's so big. Oh, kumakain sila ng ano. Oh. Parang dolphins, Han. Eh, di na makaya ng focus eh.
Focus out. Tapos balik. Focus out. Tapos balik. Para makita mo gaano kalayo. Ayan. Out. Out. Zoom out. Ayan. Ganyang kalayo. Zoom in.
Ayan, lumalabas na. Wow!
Dry.
Here's the structure. Hello! Look, oh my God! All the way deep down there. All the way there. There's the hydroelectric plant. Wow. So magnificent structure. Had. Wow. Hey, where are you, Honeymoony?
Oh, I'm here.
Lake Mead. Wow.